Here's how we cook salmon on the grill. So we're doing this on the grill. We're having the grill heat up to about 375, 400 degrees, and then we'll put the fish on there. But the trick is putting the fish on there with the skin side up. And I'm gonna put it on the grill for at least 5 minutes. So that's why I'm trying to get the grill pretty hot. 400 degrees is probably when I put it on. All right, this is key to making this right. So now I'm gonna put this side on the grill, so skin side's up. And then I'm gonna let that cook like that for at least 5 minutes or so. All right, this is key right here. Make sure you have a nice spatula. I want to get underneath and I want to flip this thing without letting the fish break. Shouldn't. Like that. And now I'm gonna let this thing go. Alright, so total prep time for that salmon is 17 minutes. And I want to keep an eye on it for sure. So what I used was olive oil, I did salt, I did pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then on top, that I didn't show, is putting as much as you want of brown sugar. So I find that brown sugar kind of takes away that fishiness. That's a wild caught sockeye, so it might have a little bit more fishiness than the regular Atlantic salmon, but I find that when I cook it on the grill this way, it just tastes delicious. And for my wife to eat it, that's a big deal because she's not a big fish eater, so that makes me happy. And so you definitely need to try this. Again, prep time is super easy. Follow the instructions on what I use, and then just keep an eye on it on the grill. And using the right spatula is key. That one's steel, so it has like sharp edge on the end, which is what you're gonna need when we take this thing off the grill. So stay tuned to that. That's super important. Other than that, looking forward to having this for lunch. Say hi to my Mogi. Mogi. He's tired. Look at him.
Mogi gets scared when dogs bark.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Chasing the birds out of the yard. Here, Mo. Want a treat? Come here, baby. Give me a cut. No,